kami guys sa loob ng 2 days kami dito. So basically, balitin ako sa room. Natong sa inyo yung try yung ito yung resort. Yung mag-guide natin doon. Pool. Ayan. Yung air conditioner. Tapos nalabas ko lang yung camping chair. And it's really nice right here right now. So this is the resort. So it's really nice. It's really great. So it's beautiful and there's like I think 2 days na dito. Sobrang excited actually. So yeah. And 2 days na kami dito kasi uuwi na din yun. So really happy and really excited to sit here. So yeah. May isang room doon and then this is my ref, my table, my TV, my cabinet din, my bed, and then my sofa. And here's some aircon. And ayan, meron ako may bed on my bed pa doon, and then may sofa din doon. May mga saksakan. Here is the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. Here's some toilet, and then my sink. So here and here's one, and you can put like toilet there. Then some like in your tapo. Then some for here. And then this is the soap, the shampoo, and then I have tissue here. Then side and like curtain, shower, and I still have basket for there. So this is like simple bathroom. But this one is big. So it's like and then the one so this is the bathroom, guys. You see here is the shower and the curtain. And then first So, hello guys. So, nandito na kami. Nakauwi na kami sa bahay. And, hindi ko na-vlog yung pag-uwi namin. And so, sabi ko lang sa Re. So, yun. Sa resort na yun. Maganda naman siya. Really is great. It's beautiful. The view is good. And, yeah, it's nice. But, siguro, I may rate it to 2/5. Kasi yung banyo nila dun is sira yung lock ng CR. Diba? And then, ay siguro maganda naman. Pero madami nga lang bawal dun sa resort na yan. So, yun. Pero, diba? Pero yung tubig niya, yung mga may nakalagay ba ng presyo dun sa ref nila. Nilagyan nila yung presyo ng presyo yung soft drinks. Dapat free yun. Dapat free. Diba? Pero I think I will rate it to 0 doon. Para doon. And over pero I think so dito ko na-end yung vlog, guys. Sorry yung hindi ko na video yung buong pag namin stay doon. Pero 2 days na naman kami doon. And, so yun na, guys. Kung nagustuhan nyo tong vlog na to, please like, share, and comment na kayo para sa more vlogs and more uploaded. Pa-click notification para updated ka for more videos at more uploaded. Bye-bye! And, siyempre, sana subscribe nyo pa rin ang aking YouTube channel. Please guys, subscribe na kayo para No. Sa mga gusto makakilala sa akin, so comment lang kayo dyan sa baba. Okay? Bye.